that. So the first thing I wanted to speak about, the hypocrisy of Armah Kofi Buah. Now, why won't name Armah Kofi Buah? No, my me find a picture. Ni picture trail. Armah Kofi Buah picture. Me the picture was see. Armah Kofi Buah no onu ye land minister. Na se si aye kasa no so no onu na ye acting environment minister. So for mutini ye o. Papa we was roha no. Onu na ye friend Armah Kofi Buah. Na sa papa we no. He is the one in charge of the Ministry for Lands and Natural Resources. And Akufo Addo, one and now Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, the last one before we went, Abu Jinapo. And the Abu Jinapo replacement, no, papa we, Armah Kofi Buah. Now, Armah Kofi Buah sumbe kaya, ebra Akufo Addo January mo, on the last State of the Nation address, every no. Na atofos oniho. And na onu na ye deputy minority leader, or parliament. Papa we no sorry ye. And I can say disrespectful things towards Akufo Addo. Our parliament, floor of parliament. To the extent, say, the former first lady Rebecca Akufo Addo nibu fuye. Said, Debbie, I won't even shake you. You cannot watch the face of my husband and speak in such a manner to my husband. Nibu fuye pa. Nibu fu speaker of parliament and so. So you, the speaker, you sat there for this man to disrespect Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo is the president who has just done 8 years and who was about to hand over peacefully to another political party. But Armah Kofi Buah did that. Well, later on, Obepacho, he came to apologize. I want a veteran saying or apologize. He said, "Nsem mi onubi wo hode. Okay, and one can ye." And he has apologized to Akufo Addo and has retracted. That notwithstanding, no, I'm not sure, say, we will forget anytime soon. I'm not sure anyone will forget anytime soon. But Papa, when a year, and Yami Chad, my brother Manso, it is saying, Biaboko, dear. Yami Chad, Mahama Baye, no, and I'm Mahama Ko appointed Papa, where I say, on no nice or call Ministry of Lands, Hono. Now, Minister of Lands, who said, Sika Hopa. Wow, yeah, Minister, you appoint to call Ministry of Lands away the Lotto. Because the Ministry of Lands, no, who a lands commission, and the Abaya Sassi and all those things, you know, a ministry, I swear so. The same ministry, you know, the gold, the diamond, all the rest, the natural resources, forced under it. And it's a very, very good ministry. Now, the thing in say, a brand NDC forward position, no, they kept campaigning, say, Akufo Addo, ni Baumia, and some NPP people, or Muna now muye galamsi. Sana mu campaigning, say, Akufo Addo ne say yensio, Baumia ne say yensio no, won to me ne say yensio no. And that's the message they kept going up and down. And you almost see, they are just going to arrest Akufo Addo, arrest Baumia, arrest Wuntumi, and then Galamsey will stop. Again, they said, say, LIB, a legislative instrument. What say, executive instrument, legislative instrument, and judicial instrument. What does it mean? You see, be a legislative instrument, a parliament, a passy for something to happen. Say executive, the president. So if you remember, under COVID, COVID in 2020, no, the president issued some executive instrument that we operated with, and at a period of time changed all those things. And the parliament, MPP were buying mono. You realize it, say some of the forest reserves we are sitting on money. And we had a choice. Say either we sit down on the money when the country needed money, because we were doing things like gold purchasing program, we were doing things like gold for oil and any others. And some of those forests no are good there were hopper. And to say, yeah, let us allow for mining in some of them, legal mining. so the country can make more money. We pay our debts. We keep on the free senior high school and all the good stuff we were doing. And here the parliament and our parliamentarians for who say, well, yes, I dare with you, and Ukrainian meaning a beboa. And in a parliament pass here. Parliament pass here, you know. NDC for this kakoma CSOs, any journalists for. And the by 4 months, 5 months to election, no dear. Almost all the TV stations, say they have Voltic bottle water. Voltic bottle, no. Now Moody Shubi, now they will write, say, we a river pra, we a river way, say Galamsi assessance, you know. Now a agenda bia NDC for no mushechi, amutua, go for amuye. And now we ye say, and yem banning mining. Akufo Addo say debut. Say banning mining, ya ye bida. Yeah, no. A high common economy no pa. And yen to me banning mining, sir. But I dare bet me and say we have to think about other ways. And this is for say Debbie. Journalists for say Debbie. I saw for them say Debbie. Obviously Debbie. And now Musa Kaja Akufo Addo say LI where I friend LI 2462 no. As Akufo Addo on starting process to remove it. And back and forth sir na mundi kwa campaign na can afford to about your MPP. And he can afford him say, oh, say if any say NDC for baba mu de sir LI 2462 no de enche ombe free. Ebusian for can you imagine say NDC for eba ban mu from if any saying from January until July, our parliament echo recess, no, they were able to pass over 40 new legislations. Yeah. NDC4, from January, echo July, no, over 40 legislations that they were able to pass. In fact, some of the legislations need the normally, you pass legislation, a process be I say pass it through. Sometimes it can take you like a month, 2 months to pass a legislation. It was for NDC4, they were able to use their numbers to pass legislations within 1 hour. Muka ID levy no. Tena mo pass no. Omu di bad that day na mo pass here. Enti can I force then I'm person muchire no. You have been able to pass over 40 legislation. Now where mo promise here where mo campaign message mo there mo yifrim. Aso mo be you, aso mo yi sa. And a 6 August. And a disaster no ko happen here. A bra helicopter no ko crash here. 8 gallant men of this country. Omo sure mo kwa. And the disaster no happen here no. Afi na Armah Kofi Buah no. E claim say or church letter Emma Attorney General say near revoke LI 2462. Ebusan for munim say sa helicopter e crash here no. E galam say we antiana na nkrofo no course program no. Say munim. And what it means they say maybe anka omu keep your word and repeal this LI before August na anka sa helicopter crash like enkosi. Because there would maybe have been any need for what that program they were hosting. So those people will still be alive by now. Second thing he say, kind of don't be deceived. This man up here is just insulting your intelligence. And I'll explain to you. Me see, Armah Kofi Buah is insulting our intelligence as Ghanaians. And we must not allow him to do that. Yeah, we must not allow him to do. He cannot insult our intelligence just like that. We are people who reason. And I will show you. Munim, do you know what I'm saying? Armah Kofi Buah is insulting our intelligence? Please, are you following? If you are following, can you say yes in the comment section? Let me know you are following. Armah Kofi Buah, number one, or a parliamentarian, or a member of parliament. Armah Kofi Buah, no, or a member of parliament. On him say, Armah Kofi Buah, no, on him say, thank you so much for following. Thank you for commenting. Right. For this LI 2462 to be repealed, no, it will require parliament. Armah Kofi Buah nimpao on him. Mutieni you. Armah Kofi Buah nim say. Sa letter claim so trauma attorney general no. Enye attorney general na say Mahama nebet me asori aka say there be from today nobody should mine in the forest reserves. It will take parliament. And guess what? Guess why Armah Kofi Buah is bringing this thing at this time? Armah Kofi Buah himself, parliament is on vacation. But you muti ase. Ghana for ebisa say galamsey no say aye west. And whatever the case, make sure say you are doing something about it. And this is for so pass say omunkro for na ye galamsey no. And from some of the information I've received from some market women, where market women for the catch them in na maker. And they say the people who are doing galamsey and kasano are buying him. Now are buying him no so no. Oma more time say your mom will say that's a grace period, be 3 months, 4 months be. Mo fire galamsey no. After 4 months you better take action. Sana market women no kanya mi na maker. Etimun obianti be chimi. Because market na mi tie senko for me no bika. Na mi so mi tie na mi beka wa ha. E bo sa muti ase. Enti sa papa when him say parliament no say I mean ukasa no parliament ever vacation. Enti just to write a letter to show Ghanaians like he wants to take action. You get it. Knowing parliament will not sit down now. Parliament will come back in October. E bo sa for parliament o ye August mo. September. Sometime maybe middle of October, I said late October, before Parliament will come and sit. And to uchuo letter away now, say immediate revocation, and go sasem no kika. Go sasem pa no kika. So immediately, the how are you doing? Revocation on one sasem. It cannot happen. Ebushanfo, there are only two ways. Obia well meaning. So NDC for omu pese, omu winning galamsey fighter. There are two things. The same things they were asking Akufo Addo to do, they must do it now. Yeah. The same things the likes of Professor Jampo were asking government to do, Akufo Addo government to do. And no solution, no, according to the NDC, they must do it now. Number one, any day, ban mining, all sort of mining, whether legal or illegal, ban mining. Any first one. Akufo Addo has done it before, 2020. Or or banning mining. Wow, we are legal, we are illegal, or banning ningina. And so in 2024, NDC was asking for the same thing. The professors were asking for the same thing. Civil service organizations were asking for the same thing. And they should also do that now. Mining should be banned. For at least by 1 month, 2 months, for all of us to sit down around the table and say, what can we do from moving forward? What should be the best course for action? Secondly, and he said, L.I. we know before a repeal this a parliament aba, but the president can declare a state of emergency and use the powers available to him to stop mining in the forest reserves. The president can do it. Omanpenino over 2 million bet and Tina Ebra Akufo Addo power 2024. They were calling him to that he should declare state of emergency. Those are the only two things. These are the only two ways. If NDC means well, if they want to win galamsey fight, those are the only two things they can do. Any other thing that they come telling you, Omudadamo, they are lying. Don't even think about. Don't even waste your time thinking about. They are lying. It's just for the camera. It is just for the camera. And you see sometimes, NDC, they don't respect human lives. NDC for they don't respect human lives. Because somebody will have thought, say, for 8 people, nipa 8, to lose their lives, to the extent, say, for were not able to see their bodies for the last time. Debut. Do you know the kind of mental and psychological impact it has? Say, Obiewu, you have not had the chance to see the person's dead body to mourn. It stays with you all your life. So even with that, Still, they are playing politics with the Galamsey menace. You see, they don't respect human lives. Those are the kind of people we have handed this country over to. These are the kind of people that we are paying salaries heavily, giving them VS, giving them one saloon car, paying for their dresses, their traveling and everything. These are the people. Yeah, free.